इसका जो लास्ट सीन है ना इस मूवी का, आई एम डैम श्योर कि यू विल बी शॉर्ट ऑफ टिश्यूज. लिटरली आई वॉज लाइक ऐसे से आंसू गिर रहे थे मेरे. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dikdarshini. I hope everyone is keeping well with their health. So today's video is going to be very much interesting video because I'm going to talk about 5 Indian independent movies. Why independent movies, not commercial, I'll tell you in a bit. But before that I need to tell you that why I'm doing this video. That's because कुछ महीने पहले मुझे कोविड हुआ था and उस टाइम आई वॉज मेंटली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड डिजर्टेड फ्रॉम द होल वर्ल्ड. सो आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. पूरे दिन अपने बेड पे पड़ी रहती थी, सिर्फ मूवीज देखती थी एंड वेब शोज देखती थी टू गेट बैक माई मेंटल पीस. बिकॉज फॉर मी मूवीज आर नॉट जस्ट एक एंटरटेनमेंट का पात्र नहीं है मेरे लिए. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ मीडियम ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट बट इट्स मोर देन जस्ट एन एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पज फॉर मी. बॉलीवुड इज ऑल अबाउट कमर्शियल मूवीज बट बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं जो आर्टिस्टिक या आर्ट बेस्ड या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट मूवीज देखते हैं. बाय सेइंग आर्ट आई डोंट मीन पेंटिंग. बाय सेइंग आर्ट मूवीज आई मीन मूवीज विच आर फोकस्ड मच ऑन डिटेल्स, मच ऑन रियलिटी, हाउ मच यू कैन कनेक्ट टू दोज मूवीज. It may or may not have a big celebrity, but I love to see independent movies because I get to connect with them, the characters more. And yeah. So what are independent movies? So independent movies are those movies which are not created under big budget movies or big production movies. So they may have low budget and उसकी duration 1.5 to 2 hours के बीच में होती है. Unlike every commercial Bollywood movie which is 2.5 hours or 3 hours से ज़्यादा होती है. Before getting to start this video, I want to give you a little disclaimer that is independent movies are not for everyone. अगर आप एक ही genre को stick करते हैं please stay out of this video. But अगर आप उनमें से हैं जो सारी movies को appreciate करना चाहते हैं चाहे वो कोई सी भी language में हो, so that you feel the pain of the character, critically acclaimed हो सकती हैं movies, आप connect कर सकते हो characters से, then I would highly recommend these movies. These art movies need to be appreciated more and more. As more and more people watches these movies, the actors and the directors will get more recognition because they deserve it. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. I will not be giving the whole gist or whole spoiler for the movie, but I will be giving few aspects why I love this movie and why you should give your precious time to this movie. So let's start with number 1, that is love enough sir. इसका टाइटल ऐसा है कि आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये हॉलीवुड है बट इट्स एन इंडियन मूवी directed by Rohena Gera and starring Vikas Gombar and Tilottama Shom. It is simply out of the world. It's beautiful. It's very simple. कोई तामझाम नहीं है. बहुत ही simple love story है. कुछ भी glamorously नहीं दिखाया गया है. So the plot revolves around a owner who falls in love with his household maid. It's very simple. I mean इसमें कुछ भी खास नहीं था. But
how they have executed a very true to life and authentic love story, and that's what created an impact on me.
how the movie flows with their feelings and how their love blossoms, everything is just so beautiful and simple and realistic. And जो actress है इस movie की Tilottama Shom, who also played a role of household maid, her body language has done every inch of justice to the character. जब वो nervous होती हैं या फिर जब वो खुश होती हैं, वो confusion में होती हैं, चाहे वो love में होती है, चाहे वो उनका innocence दिखाने का ढंग हो, वो simplicity, everything is just excellent and brilliant.
Now you must think कि what's so unusual about this love story, क्योंकि I am sure आपने ऐसी बहुत सारी movies देखी होगी जहाँ पे a love story between an owner and a maid is shown.
It's just unlike every other commercial Bollywood movie जिसमें एक दूसरे को impress करने के लिए हर हद तक जा सकते हैं. I'm not saying that's shallow, but definitely everyone cannot do that and everybody in love does not do that. This film showcases love in different aura in which they do not go par everything to impress each other. Okay, so while watching this movie आपके मन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा questions आएंगे जैसे कि is it a true love? Is their love going to be accepted by the society? How they will strike a balance between their love? Are they going to sacrifice their love for the society? ये सारे questions के answer आपको इस movie में मिलेंगे या नहीं, I cannot guarantee that, but definitely it will strike a question in your head. I think main issue जो इस movie में छिड़ा गया है that is love between a privileged and an underprivileged पीपल. अगर ना आप इस मूवी को गौर से देखोगे ना, यू विल नोटिस सो मैनी लिटिल आर्टिस्टिक डिटेल्स टू इट. आई थिंक डायरेक्टर रोहेमा गेरा हैज़ डन एन absolutely amazing job by paying attention to small details जो कि real life में actually होते हैं. You cannot help but fall in love with the characters. The characters have been played by the actors so well कि आपको लगेगा कि आप अगर उस situation में होते आप क्या करते, आप खुद से वैसे questions करने लगोगे. So I will give this movie 4.5 out of 5 because the storyline is very realistic. They have kept it very and extremely simple. Dialogue delivery is amazing by each and every character. The actors have gotten into the skin of the character.
The screenplay is amazing but a little bit slow. That's because life भी slow होती है and the movie is based on realism.
Background score is amazing. It's simple yet heart touching, I would say, and recommend you to watch it for sure at least once. So yeah. Now the next movie in my list, I am damn sure आपने उसके बारे में नहीं सुना होगा कहीं पे, but as soon as I saw this movie, I was like, yeah, I need to put this in my list because this movie is so beautiful and teaches you so much. So this movie's name is Lift Boy. Okay, so this movie invokes hope. It will teach you to give importance to each and every element in your life. I would say कि मैंने ऐसी movie कहीं भी नहीं देखी थी. Again, I'm warning you. The story is very basic yet very different on its own as you watch the movie. So let's get to the point and discuss about the plot. It's the story of a lower middle class family in Mumbai. The family consists of 3 members, a son, a father and a mother, and the father is the only bread bearer in the family. The plot revolves around the son whose name is Raju, who is also an engineering student. His father has struggled all his life being a lift man in a building in Mumbai. The story shows that Raju is having his engineering final exams for the nth time because he has flunked the engineering exams many times earlier. Raju's father desperately wants his son to clear his exams this time and wants him to get a job as an engineer, whereas Raju wants to be an author. He wants to do something further in his studies with literature. So स्टोरी में एक ट्विस्ट आता है जब राजू के फादर को अचानक से हार्ट अटैक आता है ड्यूरिंग हिज जॉब इन द बिल्डिंग एज अ लिफ्ट मैन. सो राजू हैड टू टेक हिज प्लेस आउट ऑफ मजबूरी, यू नो. राजू इज ऑफ कोर्स वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड टू बी अ लिफ्ट मैन बिकॉज ही डिडंट वांट टू बी अ लिफ्ट मैन एंड ही हैड अदर ड्रीम्स. So उस बिल्डिंग में एक लेडी भी रहती है who is also the owner of the building. She starts to take care of Raju and she starts to spend time with Raju. तब आपको एक क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में हिट करेगा, why this old lady is trying to be close or interested in Raju and why she is taking care of Raju so much. एंड उस क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर आपको थोड़ी देर बाद मिलेगा उस मूवी में. एंड दैट्स बिकॉज राजू के फादर जो है ही हैज़ बीन अ लिफ्ट मैन ऑल हिज लाइफ एंड ही हैज़ बीन अ वेरी लॉयल लिफ्ट मैन इन द बिल्डिंग. एंड दैट ओल्ड लेडी हु इज़ मॉरीन is also aware of his financial conditions, so उन्होंने हमेशा उनकी financially help की है. So after observing Raju for few days, she starts to take care of him as a mother and starts to spend time with him. So स्टोरी ऐसे आगे बढ़ती है एंड मोरिन दैट ओल्ड लेडी कम्स टू नो कि राजू के फाइनल एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं एंड देयर इज वन सब्जेक्ट विच इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू राजू, दैट इज इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग. सो मोरिन डिसाइड्स टू टीच इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग टू राजू आफ्टर हिज एवरीडे शिफ्ट. सो हर रात राजू अपने शिफ्ट के बाद मोरिन को कीज देने जाता है लिफ्ट की. उसके बाद वो अपनी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट करता है मोरिन के साथ. उनके हर मीटिंग में एक इनोसेंस छुपी रहती है, एक कंसर्न छुपी रहती है एक दूसरे के लिए. दे डिस्कस अबाउट द लाइफ गोल्स ऑफ ईच अदर. Raju wants to be an author and want to do something with literature ahead in his life, whereas Morin is an artist and want to create a masterpiece in her life. The climax of this movie is so heart-touching and it's just life changing, I would say. So Raju अपने एग्जाम्स दे के आता है घर. He is very confident that he would pass the exam. वो घर आता है and उसको पता चलता है कि Mrs. Morin she passed away last night. Raju breaks down and does his last rituals also because Mrs. Morin had nobody in her life except Raju and his family. Now ahead in his life, Raju has become a teacher and has opened up an academy which is named after Morin's, that is Morin's Academy. Such an emotional moment that was in the movie. The academy followed only one objective, that is being selfless and to be loving to each and every human being. what an intelligently written script it is. Highly appreciable. Actors have done an amazing job. Please go and watch this movie because these type of movies need more recognition. So yeah. So the next movie in my list is Lion. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how addicted I was to this movie. I would say this is one of the best movies I've seen in a while. It's an unbelievably unbearable sad movie. It will need you a lot of tissues if you're a human. Starring Sunny Pawar, who plays a role of 5-year Saru in the movie. मुझे याद है ये मूवी मैंने 2 महीने पहले देखी थी and continuously I watched this movie 3 times continuously. 2 दिन में मैंने 3 बार देखी मूवी. Mind it, it's a real story, it's a sad story and that is why you are going to sob like hell just like me. The story is about 5-year-old Saru who hails from the slums of Madhya Pradesh. उसकी फैमिली में सरू, उसका बड़ा भाई गुड्डू एंड 2 बहनें एंड उसकी मॉम होती है. द प्लॉट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड सरू हु गॉट लॉस्ट वन नाइट while waiting at a train station for his brother Guddu while coming back from the work. And after getting lost, Saru, who is nearly 5-year-old boy and उसको कुछ भी याद नहीं है अपने घर के बारे में. And after few years of getting lost, he finally gets adopted by an Australian couple and gets settled in the foreign. And how in the world he finds his family after 26 freaking years. Crazy, right? That too with the help of Google Earth. So the incident took place in 1986, whereas Saru finds his family finally after 26 years, that is in 2012. Oh my god, ये मूवी आपको अंदर से हिला के रख देगी टोटली. इसका जो लास्ट सीन है ना इस मूवी का, I am damn sure कि you will be short of tissues. Literally, I was like ऐसे आंसू गिर रहे थे मेरे. Anyway, I was moved with the performance of the little kid Saru, Sunny Pawar. Oh my god, वो लड़का आपके दिल में घर कर जाएगा. He has acted in a way that you will feel every inch of pain that Saru might have gone in his real life. And Dev Patel, who has played the role of a grown Saru, oh my god, he is hot and his acting skills everybody knows. He is absolutely amazing. I would give this movie 5 on 5 because I was totally gone insane after watching this movie. I was flowing in the emotions of Saru, what he might have gone through in 26 long years of his life. I had watched all his interviews on YouTube. The screenplay is amazing, the acting is so convincing, the direction is brilliant. It's a Hollywood movie but with Indian actors, so you should give it a try. I would highly recommend this movie. Go give it a watch. So the next in my list is a very intense movie, that is What Will People Say. It's a European movie but again with the Indian actors like Adil Hussain, who is one of my favorite actors. Oh my god, it's a very very powerful movie and based upon a very intense and important social issue. It will leave you in splits and question your inner gut. लोग क्या कहेंगे. So the story revolves around a young Pakistani girl who lives with her parents in Norway, mentioning that they are very strict, orthodox and conservative. But in contrast to her parents, the girl is very much free-spirited and wants to live life on her own terms. She parties, she goes to clubs, she hangs around and roams with boys and her other friends like any other girl. But one night everything comes down to hell as her strict father catches her with her boyfriend Daniel on bed. Dad lost his control and starts to thrash the boy. Now according to the father, his daughter is now unholy, or you can say apavitra. And somehow he decides to punish his daughter for her sin or whatever she has done which is considered wrong in his sense. And he secretly sends his daughter to Pakistan to her relatives, where she is house arrested. And to tell you that उसके relatives उसके पेरेंट्स से 100 गुना ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे. Now you have to watch the movie to know how the story unfolds later and see what lies ahead. Is Nisha, that young girl, is going to escape from her aunt's place? Is Nisha going to adapt to her new life in Pakistan, or Nisha is going to make the same mistake that she did in Norway? What lies ahead, the further story will shock you and leave you in splits. This movie has touched a very very sensitive topic, that is honor killing, which actually happens in most of the parts of our world. So I think you need to be 13 plus from your mind. You need to be mature enough to watch this movie and to understand from a viewpoint of a parent or maybe from a viewpoint of Nisha. It's again a real life story, so you will connect to the character very much in deep because the actors have done an amazing job. So last but not the least in my list is राम प्रसाद की तेरहवीं. ये मूवी हाल ही में आई है एंड उसके बाद काफ़ी ज़्यादा चर्चे में आई है आफ्टर इट सर्टेन controversies in the movies. But let's dive into the storyline because I think this is one of the movies जिससे देख के आपको लगेगा कि आप ये मूवी नहीं आपके घर की कहानी चल रही है, आपकी फैमिली की कहानी चल रही है. This movie has also touched a very emotional angle and a sensitive topic from an Indian family. और जो भी इस मूवी को देखेगा ना वो इस मूवी से जुड़ जाएगा एंड वो अपने आप को एक एक कैरेक्टर से रिलेट या कनेक्ट करके देखेगा एंड दैट्स बिकॉज द कास्टिंग इज डन अमेजिंगली. सो द स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड अ फैमिली हु इज गैदर्ड फॉर अ डेथ ceremony when a head of the family that is played by Nasruddin Shah suddenly passes away. The whole family comes under one roof for 13 days जो कि 13वीं होती है. So in those 13 days every character shown in this movie comes across insecurities, problems, hate, greed with each other. Which of these comes as a shock for the mother who is also the wife of the head. I think this powerful plot shows the darkest side of every Indian family क्योंकि Indian families में ऐसा होता है कि हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और खाने के कुछ और. ऊपर से सब खुश दिखाई देते हैं बट सडनली व्हेन सब कोई सामने एंड सब कोई एक साथ होते हैं तो उनकी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ कैसे बाहर आती है एक दूसरे को लेके. हाउ द हेट grows and how they solve this hatred within each other. इस मूवी में ना आई थिंक एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को टच किया गया है दैट इज समवंस सैडनेस और समवंस लॉस इज समवंस गेन और हैप्पीनेस. बिकॉज ऑन वन साइड वेयर द मदर इज mourning over the death of her beloved husband, on the other side her kids or the rest of the family members who have actually forgotten the purpose of the तेरहवीं, why they are here. कोई खेल रहा है, कोई बातें कर रहा है, कोई किसी के अफेयर्स के बारे में बात कर रहा है, कोई मजाक उड़ा रहा है, कोई किसी से जल रहा है. Who have lost the empathy, compassion and care for a mother. It's really saddening to see mother going through so much. I think everybody should watch this movie with their family because हमने बॉलीवुड में देखा है कि everything is jolly, happy-go-lucky and everything is so much celebrated in Indian families. This kind of story is really different from what we see in usual Bollywood films. It will help you understand a different aspect of your family as well. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and my list of 5 amazing independent movies available on Netflix and Amazon Prime. And I'll see you next time. And आपके अगर दिमाग में कोई और movies हो तो please write it down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, give it a like, comment down below and share it as much as with your friends. And I'll see you next time with another video, same place, same time. Till then, take care, spread love. Bye.